I mean, this is one of the high points, is watching them be released. So, I mean, this is what those of us that work in conservation, we want to see them out there free-ranging and doing well, so back in their habitat. The northern gannet was 80% oiled, so he was quite impacted. He was also thin, dehydrated, and emaciated, so we were fortunate enough that the worker out on the sites, one of the boat workers out on the site, was able to bring him in and rescue him and turn him over to Tri-State International Bird Rescue.